Hello there and welcome back. Now the time has come for us to spy on our users with the help of our clients if they are using Chrome browser. So in this video I would like to show you how you can check which pages were visited by a user unless they are using incognito mode. So basically what we would like to do is to go here under the hunts or hunt manager, create a new hunt, and in the search window we start typing Windows, then select the applications Chrome history and simply add this part. With the next, what we would like to do is to describe our hunt. So let's say suspicious Chrome activity. The hunt condition should be an operating system, which is, let's say, Windows. And now this is how our hunt description looks like. And we would like to create it. After we have created it, we would like to run this hunt. And you can see this send clock here, which means that our hunt is running. So let's see if our 2019A machine is online or connected. Yeah, so it was last seen some time ago, and let's go back to our hunt manager and see what the results are. So in the results you will see which user, the full path for the directory, and which site was visited and when. I think this is kind of a powerful concept, and it may not be the nicest thing to do. But based on these hunt results, you could create email notifications and so on. So let's create another hunt for our Linux clients. And first, what we would like to do is to go and install Docker on CentOS 7. So let's bring down our console emulator, and basically what we would like to do is to issue the following commands. We would like to install the emutils, then the Docker repository, and then what we would like to do is to install the container platform itself. After this was installed, it should take some time depending on your internet connection. But then what we would like to do is to create a, let's say, new hunt, which will hunt for the Docker version and the Docker information. So what I also wanted to show you is to, when you select the host, what you will be able to do here is to see the collected information. And if you go to the CentOS A machine, under the collected information, you will see that we have this Chrome history because the machine type came from the configuration file, which I copied from the, let's say, master server, which was generated. And in order for this to appropriately work, I need to modify this client.yaml, and here what I would like to do is to tell that the server type for this is Linux. Great. Now what I would like to do is to systemctl start Docker and enable Docker and sudo usermod -a -g docker ansible Great. Now if I log out and log in back to the CentOS same machine, I should be able to issue the docker ps command. And in any minute, it will let me in. So now, if I go back and sudo the Velociraptor command, what you will see is that it starts to enumerate the informations. And if I go back to the client, what I can do now is to create a new hunt. And this hunt is going to be for the Linux Docker info. Next, Docker status. Next, and match by system Linux. Create this hunt, and let's stop the other hunt. Yeah, proceed, and now what we would like to do is to see the status. So let's spin up hello world. So docker run hello world, and now yeah, so if we go back and issue the docker run hello world, it is going to pull down the information, but it is not running anything at all. Web app. No. All right. Docker ps. Great. Now, if we go back, let's stop this one and restart this one. After a time, it should be able to give us information about the running containers themselves. So this is one thing that I wanted to show you. And what you can also do is to run Mac OS related stuff, so system users, and we would need to modify the macOS configuration as well, because this is also concerned about Windows related client. So let's vi client config, go down to the bottom, and this type should be macOS. Great. So now we can go back here and let's add this one. Users. Next. And macOS. Next. And create the hunt. And then run the hunt itself. Close. Now, why do we not see any change here? Anyways, so clients and host, CentOS A, at least now we see that this is the Docker info which was connected. And now the Subos macOS and system users, requests, results, And we are still pending this information. But technically this is how you can create different hunts that are hunting for different information that you would like to analyze or that may be of your interest itself. So technically this is all I wanted to show you. See you in the next video.